welcome back. We're going to be working through another great warm-up, and it's seated cat-cow. This is one of my favorite warm-ups, and I often couple this with torso circling as they're kind of two opposite direction actions, and they just seem to work so well together, especially when you're seated on the floor. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see me a little bit better and see the movement actually happening. Now, this would probably be one where sitting up on something may not feel as secure unless you're sitting on a fairly wide blanket or a couple stacks of blankets where you feel like you're not going to fall off the edge. So I just want to encourage you that we're not really upright totally the whole time in this movement or in this small transition. So if you just kind of need a seat, you probably can get away without needing one right here. Or again, more of an opened blanket sitting directly on top of it, like you're simply lifting the floor. The hands against the knees are going to be used like levers again. I'm really pushing to help open up my spine. Relax your shoulders, inhale, sitting tall. Exhale, tailbone turns up, pelvic core contracts. I'm going to lean back into my knees. My knees are going to lift and come up as I sink between my shoulder blades. So this is the exhale. Now inhale, drop your head, pull your shoulders down deeply. Push back on your knees, shoulders down, and then arc yourself up into cow's pose. Shoulders are still down. I'm looking up under my eyes. I'm not collapsing in my neck. Reverse your steps, retrace. I'm coming back down through, rolling onto the top of my sacrum, really leaning back to the point that if I let go, I'm going to fall back. That's how much resistance or kind of pressure connection is between your hand and your knee. Inhale, shoulders way down. Come through the hole. Inhale. It's not a big arc. Exhale. Powerful breathing. This is a great pranayama practice too. Notice how my elbows are bending. And then I'm pushing down on my knees for a little bit extra leverage. Exhale. One more. Exhale. And then inhale, come to sit tall. So when working with something like seated cat-cow, it's a great alternative to the cat-cow, especially if you have students that maybe aren't able to be in tabletop or don't feel comfortable in tabletop. And it's a great way just to see and feel cat-cow in a different way. It's very liberating for the spine, the shoulder blades, the heart center, and I know you're going to love this as an addition to your practice or your teaching routine. Great job.